Are you a sustainability engineer or facilities manager looking for water savings? Cooling water savings projects may be perfect for you. I'm Brendan Marks, CEO of Capture H2O, and we're going to talk about how a cooling system works.
So what is a cooling system? All a cooling system really is a means of transferring heat from one place to another, whether that's an office building or an industrial plant, using heat transfer. And what heat transfer is using water or air or some other fluid to take heat from one spot and send it somewhere else, oftentimes to a cooling tower on your roof using water. So how does a cooling tower work? So oftentimes, a pump is pumping hot water from a process to a cooling tower. And what happens is that hot water starts at the top of a cooling tower, trickles down through the fill media of the tower as cool air is swept in from the sides of the tower using a fan. When this happens, that cool air contacting the warm water falling is going to induce evaporation. The process of evaporation requires a lot of energy to change the state of water from a liquid to a gas. And through that process, it absorbs heat and cools the remaining water as it goes back to the bottom of the tower, back to the industrial process, and repeat itself.
It's also important to note that a cooling tower is used for conservation. You could, in theory, use once through cooling, or use the water once to pick up the heat and then send it to the drain, but that would be highly inefficient. That's why a cooling tower exists. It's there to recycle the water and send less water to the drain. All right, now that we know how a cooling tower works, we need to figure out how to make that system more efficient and save lots of water. To learn more, please visit our website at captureh2o.com and download the Cooling Water Savings 101 white paper.